Welcome to Byte 1500. My name is Elizabeth Hodge and I'll be your professor this semester. This tutorial is going to provide you with an overview of the class format and layout and where you can find the materials and information to complete the assignments for this course. On the left hand side you see the table of contents. You have your announcements, which are in view currently. Below that is the course calendar and the syllabi. Beneath that are the 6 modules. Now when you access the course, you will only see module 1 because you can see that's the only one that has been released. Beneath that is information on how to contact me and then the tools that are available within the course, like the check your grade. So to begin with, let's access the course syllabus and calendar. When you do that, you can see that the links are embedded within there. When you open them up, they are PDF documents. Which make it easy to view and print. When we click on the course syllabus, it opens up to all of the information and requirements. Please review all of the information within this document and become familiar with it. It covers not only the objectives for the course, but also the outcomes, the course requirements. You have 4 article analysis, 5 application assignments, a quiz, and a final project, which will give you a total of 100% of your grade. Beneath that is the criterion of the plus and minus system, resources that are available to you, the policies for the course, including late assignment policies, and then other information in terms of the academic integrity and honesty policy. Next to that is the course calendar. I would suggest that you print this off. This outlines the time frame of each module, the objectives to be covered within that module, and then the outcomes, which are the assignments of what you're to complete by the end of the module. So just as an example, module 1 runs from January 11th through the 25th. You will need to sign into class and review the materials within the course Blackboard course environment. You have your first article analysis and then an orientation video chat using Saba. Obviously there's more information to follow on that to help you with all of those outcomes. And then you can see there that all of the modules are listed, the time frames as well as the objectives and outcomes. Also within that area is family tidbits. This is information about myself and my family in case you want to get to know us a little bit better. I love to get to know my students, so if you want to share any information or pictures, please feel free to do so. I look forward to getting to know each of you. When we click on Module 1, you'll see the format that will be consistent throughout the entire semester. Above this link, the Module 1 material, you're watching this video that will be linked within the area. And then you'll access the module material, which is text information and links to readings. Below that is the sign-in, which was noted on the course calendar. That's where you'll complete the discussion board post. Assignment 1, Assignment 2 is listed, and again, that's all within Module 1. So when we click on the Module 1 material, it opens up in a new window or a new tab. And you can see here it starts off with information about the course. And then what you'll see is this screen right here, and let me make this a little bit larger, which is what every module begins with, which is an introduction, a quote, the learning outcomes, an introduction to the material, the learning resources, and any readings, whether it's a presentation that I've provided or an actual article that you'll be reading. These are the links to all of those elements. Below that, if there's any video chat session associated with that module, information about how you access that and when it's being offered. So for our first one, we'll have Monday, January 25th, or you can attend the Tuesday, January 6th session. But you need to make sure that you attend one or the other of those. And then at the bottom you'll always see this wrap up. And the wrap up just kind of covers what the assignments you have to complete for that module within that time frame. So just to give you a understanding of that, if we were to click on Module 2, you'll see the same setup. Here's the Module 2 material, and then your assignments that you have to complete within that area. So let's look at the first assignment, which is an article analysis. And I bring this up because the article analysis is a consistent assignment that you have to complete 4 of them. The directions provide an overview of what needs to be completed. You are analyzing an article that you read. You'll be writing a summary of it, and then you'll be writing a reflection where you apply the information that you read to your current field of study or interests, or future career opportunities. But all of the directions are within this area, along with the link to the article that you're going to read. Now, I will say within another module, you'll actually watch a video instead of reading an article. But all of the directions are here. The other benefit, you'll see that is also linked within the assignment. And let me move it so that it's within the area, is the template that I provide. So use the template. It's a document that's available to you. All you have to do is input the information where it's requested. And then the benefit of it is it also has the rubric embedded within it so that you can actually see the information of what's required for that. Finally, the contact the professor information. When you click on that, it will open up again in a new tab or window, and you can see here where we've got any way that you want to contact me. I text message, I have office hours, phone calls, and these are the suggested ways in contacting me. So in a nutshell, that is your course environment. We'll be reviewing some of this during our first SABA meeting, but if you have questions before then, certainly send me an email, and I look forward to meeting everyone.